What? Oh my... Oh my gosh, I'm standing in the fire and
Oh, I was assassinating someone. What a fucking killjoy.
I don't think mine's on.
It is
Train?
entertaining.
Should we go train?
Oh god, are we going to train this early on?
Yes,
Okay,
let's go.
jump straight away and go straight down.
Jinx, Cal.
That's still has an echo of mine.
Alright, we only got the front on the back, front on the back, front on the back.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't fucking... Oh my god, there's a bridge.
I just dive bombed.
Erin, can you not? For fuck's sake! Seriously, just go to another chest. Well, hello, motherfuckers.
Hello, motherfuckers. Are you downed or are you crawling?
He's on me. No, he's on me. I'm crawling. I do need some help though, if you guys don't mind.
Alright, I'm trying to
Downed.
Cool. I needed to re-armor, because... Stop trying to nick all my shit.
What do you mean
Yeah,
someone's
someone running in the train. When I ran over the train, I heard someone else running underneath it, it sounded like.
Oh. Oh,
I almost fell in between the train.
Hell yeah, gas mask. You did? That would have been kind of funny if you did that. Should we, go get a contract?
Yes, jump off, there was some behind us.
Yeah, let's jump off. Whee!
There was some out there.
What do you want to do? Safe cracker again?
Apparently, ideally, there's one behind
Bounty's
that.
over there then, yeah.
What?
Sorry.
Oh.
No, on the old one where, like, if you just clip the edge of it as you're running, it just down you.
Wait, why did you get that contract, Erin?
What? I thought
We
that
didn't
was...
want that one.
What did we want?
The bounty.
Bounty.
Oh, oh, I thought I picked up a bounty. I'm sorry. Well, let's go get this cash money then, and then get a bounty.
I've got a sniper, which I'm quite happy about. An enemy squad is hunting us. Great, they got what we wanted.
That might be the one that we...
All right. Oh, I have a portable radar. I have a portable radar.
I see them, I see them. There.
That was me.
The tagging system is so shit on there.
There's
Jesus.
a portable radar here. If anybody wants to pick it up, we can put it down.
Alright, well, they're quite near us now, Aaron. Let's keep looking around the building. Keep looking around the building.
I have a portable radar, actually, so I'm going to put it down.
Portable radar.
No, yet.
Oh, too late.
Because they're not that close yet, so once the three...
I'll put UAV, that'll help.
Yeah, put that shit up.
Our UAV
Oh, they're by
that's where they are.
They're by the truck.
moving here.
Oh! You little bitch. I'm almost wondering if I push them.
Yeah, I'm pushing the buy station one, I'm going around the back.
Cool.
Shit, where'd they go? Oh, they're parachuting down.
Towards you.
That's in the area.
Oh, I see him! Okay, I'm pushing him. I'm coming
I got
straight
a hit
for
on
him.
them. I wouldn't, Erin, but alright.
Kill one.
Oh, fuck!
Eyes up.
Right there, next to that pillar. Come on, Aaron. Come down here. Come out and play.
Great. Not listening. Why do I, every time you say to do something, I die?
Well,
Another?
why'd you die? What happened?
Because people were shooting me.
Aaron, can you get me?
I'm just right on you, right now.
Oh, there's someone on my body right now. Ooh, in 9 seconds,
the
I'm
ammo in
gonna
this
go back into the... Oh,
chest.
man.
Fuck! Just need more ammo at the moment.
Not seen one of those yet.
No, I haven't. No, I have, because the large ones you can have like a UAV and a cluster, and you can have like a cluster mine.
Oh my god,
So, this buy station's on the roof, I think.
Oh, is it? That's
Yeah.
not ideal.
Yeah.
How do you get up?
Yes!
You know when you buy a weapon, is that your weapon or just a random...
Yes, these are your weapons. These are how you get your loadouts now.
Ah,
You have to buy your weapon for $5,000, which is a bit shit. I'm going to buy a munitions box.
oh yeah, no, you're right. This is my custom M4. Sweet, nice.
And then, Cal, do you want to buy a... Do you have a UAV?
I do not, but I can try and get one. Nice.
Give me the
do now.
ammo! There we go. I do need a gun.
Yeah, that gun was sick. That's
Whoa!
what-
Someone's sniping at me!
I think they're on the building that we were on a minute ago. I think there's someone.
Oh my god, the zone's coming in. We gotta go. We gotta go. Run.
Oh no, they're right by the cars, right next to us.
Moving here. Enemy on the
Right here, well, I've just tagged.
Okay, I'm going around.
Yeah, I got a couple of hits.
Yeah, fine, he's on
He should be coming around to your side, Aaron.
Team
Nice.
wipe, team wipe.
Loot him. Aaron, do you need a gun? Or do you want a gun?
I got a precision. I'm actually good. Why? What gun do you have?
Yeah.
What gun do you have?
It's like an ACOG LMG. It's pretty good.
LMG here.
I've got one of those.
Oh.
I'm gonna go get this bounty contract.
Oh, I know that one. No, I don't want that.
Actually, wait.
I'm not a big LMG fan.
Really?
Oh,
Yeah, I only like the one where it's like got the little balls underneath it. I have a precision airstrike, by the way, if we ever need it. What the heck was
Those
that?
planes just flew into each other.
What are those? Oh, those are the loadout planes.
probably people in that. There is people in that. They're
So you
shooting.
know those,
They're shooting people in that building.
They're here. They're coming up the hill now.
Oh shit! Turn around.
Yeah,
Oh
they're
yeah,
they're,
very nice of us.
they're almost like out in the open. Yep,
You mark
they're
it
here.
again?
They're
Okay,
here.
shot.
They're
I'm
here.
getting shot a lot. I'm getting shot a hell of a lot. They're right on me. Yes, there's two right there, yeah.
Find cover.
You little butt munches. They just precisioned me.
One scoping me.
I was marking
no!
them.
Oh, fuck's
So
sake.
why is Erin pushing someone where we're not?
I
Why
thought you were
Erin?
coming over to me. Oh, they're
Yeah,
there.
see them? Found one. That one didn't die, the one that I downed, so that's quite
He's
right.
probably that. He's
Yeah.
probably down there.
Yeah, he didn't die, did he? Oh,
Yeah,
there's-
he's scoping me. He's scoping me now.
Can you
Same
mark him?
place.
Enemy marked.
Oh, someone else.
Ooh.
Yeah, no, it was him. Yeah, nice. Yeah, he's sitting behind that rock right now.
Moving here. Let's cancel that.
I've just tagged him.
Oh. He's.
He's gonna have to move. He's coming
Yeah.
towards you. I've tagged him again. Nice.
You're gonna have to go,
Yeah,
Aaron.
just go.
Cal, the gulag's closing. So if you haven't
Oh, good
already,
luck. Yeah.
my God, you're playing with someone
My-
called Ringworm.
Yeah, ringworm. Fucking hell. Come on, ringworm.
Merging. Prep for contact.
Oh, I'm back. Gulag closed, so I just got automatically put back.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh shit!
I don't know
my
where to go.
God.
Now.
No, this is dreadful for me. What am I doing?
Nice, Cal.
Yeah, there we go. Finally, Jesus Christ, that was abysmal. But
Yeah.
we won it somehow.
Ah, fuck, no.
Oh, this zone is fucking weird. It's moved so
Yeah, literally,
The gas is
I
moving.
couldn't find any guns. I landed at the one house that had 0 guns.
a little bit.
Oh, the helicopter! Try and
Yeah, do you reckon if
sneak
I
into that
went through-
helicopter. You can't. You don't. I don't think you get killed by the propeller blades on these. So,
Might as well
see.
try it. Yeah.
Yeah.
so you don't. It doesn't. So try and sneak in there. Try and sneak in there. Try and sneak in there. Never mind.